Yorùbá àtúndé bá a ṣe ń dé o. Àwọn ọmọ Yorùbá àtúndé bá a ṣe ń dé. Mo tún mú ohun kan wá fún wa. Mo fẹ́ kí a jọ farabalẹ̀ gbọ́ ohun yẹn dáadáa. Ó lágbára. Àníṣe àwọn Fúlàní ìṣe ti bàbá Tinubu, ìgbésẹ̀ tó ń gbé, ìgbésẹ̀ tí wọn ò fi ní gbóòórùn ìjọba Nàìjíríà mọ́, ó ní ìgbésẹ̀ tó ń gbé. Bí ìjọba Tinubu ti ń bá a lọ yìí, owó ti wà lẹ́mìí àwọn Fúlàní gan ni o. Owó ti wà lẹ́mìí wọn gan ni. Àìfàìmọ̀ tí bàbá Tinubu tí ó bá fi ṣe tán, tí ó bá fi parí tẹ́nu ẹ̀, àìfàìmọ̀ kí Nàìjíríà mọ́ ti pín. Àìfàìmọ̀ kí Nàìjíríà mọ́ pín. Kó pín náà sì ni ìdùnnú tiwa. Kí Nàìjíríà ò pín, ó ní ìdùnnú tiwa. Ohun tí mo fẹ́ play fún wa ẹ̀, mo fẹ́ kájọ farabalẹ̀, kájọ gbọ́ ohun yẹn dáadáa, kájọ gbọ́ nǹkan tó wà ní ohun yẹn. Àwọn aláìsí kọ̀ọ̀kan wà tó yẹ pé mo fẹ́ kájọ farabalẹ̀ gbọ́. Tá a bá gbọ́ tán, nǹkan táwọn náà bá rí sí analysis yẹn, ẹ jẹ́ ká rí lábẹ́ comment. Ẹ sì mú báyìí láti bá wa pín ètò kọ́ lọ dáadáa, ẹ bá wa pín kọ́ lọ dáadáa. Èmi náà ni ọmọ yín, olólùfẹ́ yín, àbúrò yín náà ni gbogbo mọ̀ sí BME TV show. Òun ló mú òun náà wá fún wa. Ẹ ti gbọ́, ẹ dákun, mo bẹ̀ gbogbo ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ mi ni. Ẹ jẹ́ ká lọ pín fídíò kọ́ lọ dáadáa. Kó lọ ka àwọn èèyàn wa lára, kó wá gbọ́ analysis tí mo fẹ́ play fún wa yìí. Kó wá gbọ́. Àníṣe àwọn náà dáná ìṣe wọn ò tí ì nǹkan kan, wọ́n ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ bẹ̀rẹ̀ ni. Ibà náà ní ṣe tí wọ́n bọ̀ láti 16 years nísìn. Tiwa ṣẹ̀ bẹ̀rẹ̀ báyìí ni. Tiwa ó ṣẹ̀ bẹ̀rẹ̀ báyìí ni. Olódòdẹ ó ti ra ẹ̀pọ̀n wọn mú. Ó ti kí ni, ó ra ẹ̀pọ̀n yẹn mú. Ẹ̀pọ̀n tó sì rà mú yìí, wọ́n wá ń jà pátápátá láti pé ó fẹ̀pọ̀n wọn lẹ̀, wọn ò sì mọ̀ pé ẹ mọ̀ ìṣọ́gbọ̀ ẹ̀tàn. Jẹ́ ká bá rẹ̀ gbọ́, ẹ mọ̀ bá wa ká lọ. Ẹ ṣé.
Good day, my people. You are welcome to today's political broadcast. We are still discussing Nigerian politics. Northern Nigeria cannot afford another Tinubu's regime. I repeat, Northerners cannot afford another Tinubu's presidency. By the time Tinubu finish his second term, there will be no Northern politician that can stand in Nigeria and say he wants to win elections, except Tinubu give that Northern politician go ahead. I repeat again, maybe you did not hear me well. If I can speak French, I will speak French. But let me speak English. By the time Tinubu finish his second term, there will be no Northern politician that will be popular enough to win national elections. Today we have Atiku, at least one person in the north that have that popularity across north and south. After Atiku, there is nobody that will come close without getting the approval of Tinubu. Tinubu is building his political empire in the south. So if one become president in Nigeria today, like after Tinubu's second term, you must go to Tinubu's school of politics. You see, I'm saying this to now. People are thinking that I'm playing. They are laughing. I'm not laughing. This is a serious thing. The way Tinubu has captured Nigeria, man, I cannot recognize democracy in Nigeria again. I just told you that Tinubu and Wike, the most powerful politicians in Nigeria, they will be sharing the positions for themselves, maybe out of 36, because there is no way as it is today, the opposition as they are today, there is no way they are going to win any state, that is governorship election. You don't win any state. So APC out of 36 states may share 6, 4 or 5 for Wike. The High Court, appeal court today, has ruled in favor of Wike and his PDP faction. So the people we are looking at that are PDP now, Wike, not Shemakinde. Very soon now, if you say Shemakinde don't decamp from PDP to whether either Accord Party or the ADC. So as it stands today, Northerners are regretting ever supporting Muslim tickets. Okay, you thought that your agenda, your Islamic agenda will be achieved under Muslim ticket. Now God catch you now. Tinubu has snatched that power. He don't grab her. And he don't lose. He says snatch it, grab it, and run away with it. This one, Tinubu lost. You don't see Tinubu at all. So as it stands today, there is no politician in Northern Nigeria that can start Tinubu. I stand to be corrected. I am not a supporter of Bola Tinubu. I am not a supporter. I have said it so many times. You see, Northerners were saying, a lot of politicians said that no wonder we did not allow Abiola. Abiola was a Yoruba man. So they are looking at it that these Yoruba people, if they give them position, they start using it for nepotism. Who told you? Who started it? Look at Buhari. Look at our federal parastatals, our federal agencies. Aboki, when we qualifying, we will make a director. You pack Aboki full federal, full CBN, full MMPC. Why in South here that we go to school, we get first class, we are qualified. They use nepotism and relegate Southerners from having opportunities at the federal level. And now Tinubu entered there, they put you back with your lament, you are crying. Nobody will have first started in the north. You who started it. I've told you that the only reason I'm supporting Tinubu is restructuring. Because the only thing that can change Nigeria is restructuring. Any other thing is badadash. So as it stands today, we would not let Nigeria be able to produce a politician that can stand up against Tinubu until Tinubu die. Until Tinubu die. I'm not happy with what is going on. Look at petrol is now 1,100 something naira. Iran and US, the war escalating. All have you is making things difficult for Nigerians. Nigeria is getting money, but Nigerians are suffering. So I'm not happy. I'm not happy. I don't even have hope in Tinubu. Like Tinubu is going to fix the country. I don't have hope in him. I have said it. That's why I'm pushing for restructuring. And I know these local politicians, unless you demolish them, like you shred them into pieces. That is what Tinubu is doing. Name a politician in Northern Nigeria that is relevant to win national election. National, that will have that national look. Name a local politician. Atiku that we are seeing today, let ADC bring Atiku as the presidential candidate. If they like, they should not bring P2P. Let them carry Atiku put here. If Atiku loses the election, which he is 100% likely to lose the election, I see some people are saying that, you see, the 2027 will show up with our votes. Do you think your votes count in Northern Nigeria? Do you think they are practicing democracy in Nigeria today? Not that you think so. Until, see, the day I will side with Northern Nigeria is when they support restructuring with their actions. Until Northern Nigeria decides to start supporting restructuring in Nigeria, state control of resources, regional state of government, and division of Nigeria, it is when we will start aligning together. But so far, Northern Nigeria seems to be a stumbling block. See, I sit down and look at issues, I look at trends. Northern Nigeria seems to be a realistically stumbling block to Nigeria's restructuring. If you want to know how to win election, no, for these Northerners, you don't understand what we are saying. Maybe I will speak Hausa one day or full day or the Fulani language or other languages for you to understand, or you should get an interpreter. Tinubu has already won the election. There's nothing your imams, your clerics in the mosques will do to stop Tinubu from winning the election, because your leaders are the problem. Your leaders are the problem, not Tinubu, not the West. The same way I talk to my Southeasterners. Nigeria is competitive. We are not one. It is you that you are deceiving yourself that we are one. Nigeria is competition. Buhari entered there, you put your people. Tinubu entered there, you put your people, and you are crying. Instead of you to be fighting for the nearest way out, using wisdom to play your politics, you are here lamenting to blah 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 blah. See, in Northern Nigeria, I've said it, I don't advise my many times. Forget about political power. Forget about political power. Even the Ribadu that we are saying that he's going to take after Tinubu political power, he not sure for Ribadu again. I said something. I said, you see, state police. Now, state police will kill democracy. State police that will bury democracy. After state police taught them, we are all seated here, we are looking at things, and people just think that it's not possible. We are getting shocked day by day. I think now APC is 32 or 33 states. APC has captured 33 states in the history of Nigeria. The last time PDP did it, I think it's 2009 or 2017, something about that. PDP captured 31 states. APC don't break record, 32 states captured. And even the states that are not even APC, they are presidential election, they are supposed to do. They just want to save face by retaining their governorship. You see, Abga in the southeast, in another state, it is APC. This one that so they win. So they win. Because all of them are the same. If they do Pasha for Soludo, are the same. So they win now. They just gave him to win. Then after he will collapse the structure into the APC. Tinubu's government has exposed a lot of things about our politicians. It has exposed a lot of things about the kind of leaders we have. It has exposed that we don't have people with integrity. People who used to think that these people have integrity. They are statesmen, elder statesmen, people of honor, respect, and what have you. Tinubu's administration have exposed most of them. Your politicians in London of here, they are cash and carry. They are going to sell you as they are selling before. Tinubu would have, see what Tinubu is doing is that starve them of political power. Starve them. I've starved them. They're not going to get power for like 4 years. They will be so desperate. And in their desperation, the British are selling now for Northern Nigeria. Instead of you to focus on your leaders, they are focused on Tinubu is the wanted president. Your leaders have been in government for how many years? Since independence. What have they used? Power. The power they had then, what have they used it to do? Have they been able to see, is there any change? Anything that with all the years of Northerners becoming head of state and president, what have you benefited from it? You need to tell yourself the truth that you have leadership problem in the North. Leadership problem. With sometimes to go to the caliphate, this Fulani, they are your problem. That caliphate that is established, a caliphate that cannot impact positively in this state. You are in Sokoto state. You are the Sokoto of Sokoto, but where you reside is the headquarters of poverty, out of school children, underdevelopment. And from that your caliphate, you are producing presidents from the northern part of this country. Can't you understand that there is a fundamental problem going on with the leadership in northern Nigeria? I have said it before that if we had a northern president and a southern president, southerners will not go far for a very long time. If we don't live in a goal, that we don't see. We do not necessarily be here. It is because of the northerners. That's why we are dragging this far. Look at insecurity. Almost all the bad news, all the money we spend for ammunition, all the money we spend for soldiers, recruitment of soldiers, left, right, and center. You see, we are spending trillions, if not billions of naira, just wasting because of insecurity created by the northern part of this country. It is very unfortunate. It's very, very unfortunate. So I hate to say this, that Tinubu's second term would end northern political popularity in Nigeria. You see, Tinubu is looking at like if he cannot do anything, he's just looking at you. If they do in team like slow, if they enter owner today, they just release Malami. They now found out a new charge on L5 that he has multi-billion naira properties in Egypt. Hey. I told you that L5 will stay there for a very long time. Malami, if he come out now, he will shut up his mouth. Probably he has agreed to shut up his mouth. That is a southern president that you are underestimating. Sometimes the way northern people reason, we are supposed to come together, join together, and fight the system, the system that is bad. But the Northerners feel that they are so selfish that everything is all about them. If you want to enter any alliance with them, it is all about them. Their own interest first. Some people were gaslighting us that Tinubu is saying religious war. Sorry, P2B, when he was doing campaign, he was saying, church, fight for your, he was championing religious war. He was instigating, P2B was instigating religious war. And have you not looked at losing not religious sentiment when it comes to politics? Is it not local Nigeria? Ethnic and religious. Just what P2B said out of the rules, they took it out of proportion and said this man is instigating religious war. Some very foolish people has come out to say that we will not support somebody that is having religious bias, blah blah. Northern Nigeria is known for religious bias. Northern Nigeria is known for religious bias. That is why every time they say Muslim not, Muslim not, Muslim not, Muslim not. Every time, why are they saying Muslim not? Would there be any time a Christian from Northern Nigeria will present Northern, when they say North and South, would there be any time a Christian will become a Christian Northern and will become Nigeria's president? They said Muslim tickets. You see, they are the ones pushing religious extremism. Muslim ticket. They are telling Christians, if you shop for now, no one Christian ticket. If you shop for now, you are bragging 2023. They never knew that Tinubu was going to use this Muslim ticket to finish them. They are lamenting that you expect me to now say, why are you crying now? Tinubu is a bad person. Tinubu is not a bad person. See, by 2027, if you are going to see if any local politician is going to say Tinubu will approve. Oh God. You know, I would have said Northerners, there will be some local politicians that will survive Tinubu regime. But they cannot survive it because most of them are criminals. Most of them are corrupt. They are thieves. Big thieves, most of them. Because you cannot, if your hands are clean, that's why you can challenge Tinubu. Tinubu is APC and Tinubu, they're there for Nigeria's black book. There's nothing Tinubu will do to wash his name and the name of APC as a party from Nigeria's black book. So if you are going to challenge Tinubu, your hands must be clean. All of Nigeria's baggage, left, right, and center, you want to challenge Tinubu. All of Nigeria's baggage. The people that we see in the opposition today now, because Tinubu did not favor them, they not enter. It's like their head no correct. Their head no correct. I don't see them. Because it did not favor you. It did not favor you. You now join opposition. Tell Nigerians, let's meet these people. It is about your selfish interest. It's very unfortunate that we don't see any formidable opposition that can quench the light of APC. Even though it is darkness. APC is darkness. Yes. Let me even attack my APC people now. How far about Tinubu? Tinubu said he's going to deliver this and that. This is the third year. This is the third year. To me, the third year. Few months now, we will not complete 3 years. What has Tinubu achieved? He said in his first tenure, he is not able to fix electricity. Don't vote for him again. He said so. What happened? Let's forget about the petrol. The petrol, Nigeria as a country prepared for doom. Buhari's government used our oil resources to borrow money, our future. Then borrow, they use our resources borrow. You don't even do for them. They borrow in arrears. Buhari, and some people come and tell me, some local people think that Buhari was a great leader. Which rubbish great leader is that? We cannot benefit as it is now. We cannot sell crude to Dangote because our crude has been used as the ways that connect country up and down. Those that borrow our future. If we had crude to give to Dangote, at least we will not be saying 1,000. At least we still maintain 800 and something naira that we are paying. Yes, because the system is Tinubu is part of the system, so it's not absorbed of anything. These guys are corrupt. They have nothing to offer. We are just looking for a way that will be structured so that the dividends of good governance will, at least in our lifetime, it should get to us. Those people, them that are in us during their youthful age, youthful days, they benefit from Nigeria, free education, all of you. They got jobs as soon as they finish university. They could buy cars, houses, and buy cars, build houses. There was enough to go around. But today we are not benefiting anything. I don't send Tinubu. I don't send anybody as a politician. I don't send anybody. If I tell you that Tinubu cannot give us good governance, I stand by my word. That's my opinion. You have your opinion. You can still with your opinion and relax with it. You can sleep with your opinion. But I'm telling you that for good governance, take it to see 2027 with Tinubu power. I pity for these media organizations, those that have sold their integrity. You know, Tinubu they give their respect now. All those ones that are dancing for Tinubu they give their respect now. May enter second term. Some people cannot even criticize how bad electricity is. Some people cannot criticize it. They cannot criticize it because they are slaves. They have sold themselves. So when it comes to good governance, I've told you already, it is not given to the APC. But yet, let's focus on northern Nigeria. If Tinubu leave power today, Northerners will never forget Tinubu in the way. They will never. How did he allow this guy? How did he allow this guy? And the worst thing that they underestimated you. Tinubu within 2 years. Under Tinubu, that's it. 2 years under Tinubu. Both spiritually, physically, the guy will do something. I don't know what is driving this man. He has money, he has everything. What is driving him? And I remember that old people don't change. Old people. An old man is a liar. He knows that he's getting close to the grave. Instead of him to say, let him stop this lying lifestyle. No, he cannot stop it because old people don't change. The Bible says, train up a child in the way he or she should go, so that when he or she is old, he or she will not depart from it. So what they are being trained as they are growing, they will not depart from it. So people cannot change. But the point here I'm making here is that after Tinubu finishes political empire, any matter that is going to rise up and be influential must go through Tinubu school, political school. I repeat, Tinubu, what is building now? If when you become president, you must pass through. If you allow Tinubu cross 2027, becoming the next president for the second term, if you allow it, that is not on us. It is not in my hands. I'm here to analyze and open your eyes to realities and things that are happening around you. Be vigilant. I'm here to make you vigilant. I'm not here to help you overthrow Tinubu. I'm not here for that. I'm just telling you the reality. If you allow Tinubu cross 2027, another time I will see there's difference between 6.5 dozen. Difference. According to Buana, context matter. Context. I mean, how you carry the call. Context matter. According to Buana. The way you see it, you say people use that. Until nothing has changed their mentality. And I know that because they allow the Fulani conquer them, they will not change their mentality. So they are moving to their destruction and their downfall. All these kidnapping, killings, and all that will not help anybody. Will not stop anything. I have said it. Will not help anybody. Will not stop anything. Will not stop Tinubu from getting his second term and doing what he wants to do. If it is possible, Tinubu will just build sophisticated wall around Middle Belt and Southern Nigeria and allow people to start killing yourself. Tinubu, if it's possible for Tinubu, if they send wild animals into those places that you are not do yourself, you consume that, he doesn't care. Since you are not get brain, according to VDM, don't play, you play, you learn. bachelors are learning, they never learn finish, but if you become.
òun náà ni ẹ ti gbọ́ yẹn. Mo lérò pé ẹ gbádùn ohun yẹn látìgbà tí a ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ tí ń play ẹ̀. Ṣé tá àti gbogbo analysis tó wà ń bẹ̀? Nǹkan tẹ́yìn náà bá rí nínú analysis yẹn, ẹ jẹ́ ká rí lábẹ́ kọ́mẹ̀ntì wa. Ẹ bá wa kọ́mẹ̀ntì, ẹ sì bá wa share ètò yìí kó lọ dáadáa. Ẹ sì mú gbàgbé láti bá wa subscribe sórí YouTube channel wa. Ẹ ṣé gan ni. Èmi ọmọ yín náà ni o, èmi àbúrò yín, èmi olólùfẹ́ yín náà ni. Kò ní sú wa, bẹ́ẹ̀ ni kò ní rẹ̀ wá. Gbogbo ohunkóhun tí ó bá la bíìtì wa kò nu oko ẹrù Nàìjíríà tá a wà, òun náà ni màmá mú wá etí ìgbọ́ yín, òun náà ni ẹ mọ̀ fetí ara yín gbọ́, ẹ sì mọ̀ bá wa bá ètò wa lọ lórí ìkànnì Ìbíyẹmí TV show, òun náà la wà. Ẹ ṣé gan ni o. Ètò tòní àní Yorùbá yìí lọ o, oníyàn ṣe ọlọ́kà ṣe. Gbogbo ẹ̀yin tí ẹ bá abìfẹ́ jẹ́, a kí yín o. Ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ẹ̀rí jẹ náà, ẹ sá má bínú. Gbogbo ẹ̀yin tí ẹ wo ètò yìí, ẹ pín kó lọ ka àwọn tí ò tí wò lára kó lè bá àtúmọ̀ nǹkan tí a tún mú wá orí ètò. Ẹ ṣé gan ni o. Wọ́n wá gbà ládùúrà fún yín pé ojú gbogbo ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ mi tẹ́ ẹ fi ń wo ètò yìí, ojú ò ní fọ́ o. Bẹ́ẹ̀ ni etí tẹ́ ẹ wo ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ mi tẹ́ ẹ fi ń gbọ́ ètò yìí, etí náà ò ní di o. Ọwọ́ gbogbo ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ mi tẹ́ ẹ fi bá mi pé ètò yìí TV lọ dáadáa, ẹ ní fọwọ́ náà gbọ́mọ ṣe o. Àwa lámọ̀ wá, bẹ́ẹ̀ náà sì ni ẹ̀yin náà láì mọ̀ dé bá. Ibi tẹ́ wàá ti ń rí owó tẹ́ ẹ fi ń ra dátà, tẹ́ ẹ fi ń wo ètò gbogbo àwa tí à ń jà fún ilẹ̀ Yorùbá láti jẹ́ kí ilẹ̀ Yorùbá gba òmìnira. Àgbà náà ò ní wọbẹ̀ o, torí wípé àbùdí ń tolókun, àbùdí ń tọlọ́sà, àgbo sáàsà mọ́ à kì í gbẹ, àgbo yẹn ní gbẹ sówó láṣẹ Èdùmàrè. Ẹ ṣé gan ni o. Ó dàbọ̀.